Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Buxer for Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a great chicken dish, which is a chicken roulade stuffed with shiitake mushrooms and sage and wrapped in prosciutto. We're also going to be making a shiitake mushroom sauce to serve with it. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. Start by finely dicing one small yellow onion. Then, finely chop 4 to 5 garlic cloves. We'll also be using 3/4 of a pound of shiitake mushrooms. Cut off any dry stems and slice them thin. Then, finely cut some fresh sage leaves. Heat up a large skillet and add 2 tablespoons of butter and a good drizzle of olive oil. Then add the onions and sauté until translucent. Next, add the garlic and the mushrooms. Season with salt and fresh ground pepper and sauté until the mushrooms have cooked and reduced to about a third or half the original size. The mushrooms will be used for both the stuffing and the sauce. We'll be using 2 skinless and boneless split chicken breasts. Start by butterflying the breasts with a knife. Then place it either between parchment paper or plastic film and pound it thin. I always prefer using parchment paper instead of plastic. Season the top side of the breast with some salt and fresh ground pepper. Then add a layer of the sauté mushrooms and sprinkle with some sage. Then roll it up and repeat the process with the other breast. Lay the prosciutto slices overlapping each other. I also like doing this over some parchment paper. Arrange the slices until they are just a bit wider than the rolled breast. Place the roulade on top of the prosciutto with the seam sized down and away from the edge. Then roll the prosciutto tightly around it. Heat up a cast iron skillet over high heat and drizzle some oil. Then place the roulades in and sear all sides. 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes per side. After the last turn, transfer it to a preheated oven at 375 Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius to finish cooking. This should take about 20 minutes or until a meat thermometer inserted in the center registers 165 Fahrenheit. Remove from the oven, being careful because the skillet will be hot. Then place the roulades on a cutting board to rest. Place the skillet back in the stovetop and add a tablespoon of butter and the rest of the mushrooms. Sprinkle with 1.5 tablespoons of flour. Let the flour cook for a couple minutes, then add 3/4 to 1 cup of chicken stock. Mix it well, scraping all of the chicken drippings from the bottom of the pan. Once the sauce has thickened, add a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning if needed. Let the sauce simmer for a couple minutes until nice and creamy. Slice the roulade and serve it with the sauce. I am serving mine today with some fried Parmesan polenta. I am also topping it with some fried crispy sage. And bon appetit! This is a delicious dish. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, Leave a comment and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.